I want to show you guys this concession stand container. It's going to be North Carolina blue. They're going to put some wrap on here too. But again, customers always bring a lot of different ideas in here, and I just love seeing people's creativity. Mini splits going on the top. You can kind of see that getting mounted now. It's going to have a banner on top, so we're going to weld posts for the banner on top. This is actually the back side of the container. The artificial light, I don't know how the blue is going to look in the video, but it's spot on North Carolina blue paint code from the university. So like I said, this is basically the back of the container, and we're just getting the paint going on it. But very cool. This thing is going to be awesome. I mean, that color just screams party. So should attract a lot of attention, which is what they want. They want customers coming to the container. They're not going to do concession windows in the window frames. They're going to do shutters. When we know we're doing shutters, we take the piece of corrugation we cut out and we have it ready to go for the shutter, because that piece of cutout matches this perfectly. Like this piece of corrugation lines up to that piece of corrugation perfectly. So you can do shutters flipping to the side or flipping up. I think these are flipping up, and then this is going to have a stainless shelf outside for the customers. Concession windows are a little bit higher than normal, and then we will show you guys the inside as we get going. This is going to get FRP, which is kind of that vinyl shower sort of 4x8 sheets of kind of the vinyl stuff that you see in applications where you have water splashing, moisture, things like that. So 2 windows. We did make these to the spec to where if you wanted to put a 60 by 36 concession window in, it'll just bolt into this hole. This is slightly oversized, 60 by 36. So that leaves you the option to do that. We're always trying to think of all the possibilities when we build something. So anyway, we can kind of see the shutters halfway through the process here. Again, we do stitch welding, and then we do the polyurethane sealant there. I'm getting ready to do a video on the sealant, so stay tuned. I know when I got into the business that the sealant was one of the things I struggled with the most. So trying to figure out what those are. Oh, those are the posts for the banners, so they're capped. I was trying to figure out what those were. So I'm getting ready to do a video on the sealant. It was one of the biggest struggles I had, was to find a sealant that works on containers, because you can't use caulk, you can't use silicone in most cases. Got to be paintable, got to be durable. So stay tuned for that video, and then that's going to be a product that we're going to be offering. So this is going to be very cool, and this customer might actually order a lot of these for